Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to plug your Redragon K605 Alien keyboard. So as you guys see, I already have my keyboard on the table, and all you need is an USB-C cable. It can be of any sort, just USB-C, and plug the USB cable into your computer. And then at the top right you have a USB port right here, so flip it, and as you see on the top there is the USB-C. Just slightly plug it in, and as you see, it lights up. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.